That looks sick. That's a Polestar 2 BST edition, $230. A sleek EV design upgrade. Now you speak about colors. I like this color a lot. This like sage green.
Okay.
More
really
flat kind of. Polestar. I think we've seen some phones in this color. Polestar is no stranger to special edition versions of its electric vehicles. Last year, the brand launched the Polestar 2 BST Edition 270, and now it's releasing the limited Polestar 2 BST Edition 230. Performance-wise, the important numbers are the same as the previous BST model. 476 horsepower, 502 pound-feet of torque, 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds, and 25 millimeters lower ride height than the regular Polestar 2. It's weird. You got this really performance-oriented edition, but it's compared to other EVs, not that quick.
Mm-hmm.
Like 4.2 seconds rather than something closer to 3 or...
Yeah.
It's a little weird,
Maybe
right? You got a racing stripe on it.
Aerodynamic.
No, I mean, it's just not enough horsepower. It's more practical, but they're calling the color Nebula Green, and they're also going to sell it in plain old black or space, and you can order a racing stripe on it. Polestar's hoping to pull out all the creative stops to give dedicated Polestar fans the option for something slightly wackier than the standard white, gray, or black that people are used to. I like it. I think it's cool. I like personalization. I like differentiation in the space. Like I keep saying to you, it's not another Tesla. Okay. So that's cool.
Yeah.
And we both have Teslas, and I would love to see something other than Teslas on the road. I'll tell you that right now.
And I always like, the design language for Polestar.
Yeah.
They have like a really like modern, clean vibe that's like not smooth. It's kind of angular as well.
I was going to say the word angular.
Mm-hmm.
I agree with you.
So good on them.
Good on them.